Hello Unity developers. Today we talk about how to create a button with a link click. So button that goes to some link. Okay. So first you go to canvas and create UA button. Okay. We choose our color of button, or green, blue, I don't know. Okay, so this is our button. We can put it down, up. Let's put it on center for now. Okay, that's our button, and we gonna add some script to follow the link. So the script is called link click. Okay, so we go to our button. Maybe it's easier to see like this, and go to on clicked option. Here you see we're gonna just link click. That's the name of the file that I called it link click 5. Okay, just put it here. So down, you see add component and link click 5, and just drag and drop button, again button, on click, and choose link click 5 and choose function. Okay, what is inside this script? Let's check. We open the script, and you see this is our application, our link where you want to go when the player clicks the button. So it's public void link function application dot open URL. Okay, so here you just put your external link where you want to go when the player clicks the button. Let's say we want to go to Google when the player clicks the button. We're gonna copy this script, this file, and you're gonna paste it here. Now let's save it and let's test it. Okay, Unity. We're gonna click play, and you see when we click the button it goes to Google. So anywhere you wanna go, you just put your link from here, copy it, and paste it into your script. What I like to do to make some button to go to my another game. So if you have one game or app, if you want some promotion inside the app, you can put your link of your app, of your another app. So let's put my another game. We wanna, this is my game. Okay, we wanna copy this link and paste it into our script. So just paste it here. You see, this is where I want to go when the player clicks the button. So you can also rename the button like promo, or download more games, something like that. Or you can choose your picture. You can go to button US Sprite. You can just put your game picture on, or something like here. Get it on Google Play. So when the player clicks button, it will go to download of my another game. So it's very useful to have it on your game or on your app, or anywhere you want. I have also here, I can disable it. I have also, you see, script on button click to follow the player to go to another my another game. It's very simple. Link function application.open URL. That's the link. That's the link you wanna use. I will put the link in the description and the script. I will just write it so you can copy it and paste it. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time. If you have any comments, just ask.